Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can share your Netflix screen with your friends. You can share your Netflix screen using a few different methods depending on the platform you want to use. Some of the popular options are using Discord, using Zoom, or using Teleparty, formerly known as Netflix Party. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and the most effective way, that is, using Teleparty. So let's get started. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. Type in netflix.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you are logged into your Netflix account by entering your login credentials. Once you are logged into Netflix, go ahead and open up a new tab and then type in chromewebstore.google.com. You can get to this website even if you are using Microsoft Edge web browser. In the search extension and themes option, type in Teleparty. Once you look for the Teleparty, you will be able to see this info section where you need to click Get. Click on Add Extension and you will then be able to download the extension Teleparty on your web browser. Once it is completed with the download, the extension will now be added on your web browser. This will open up teleparty.com page where you need to log in or sign up with a Google account. You can sign up for a new account if you don't have one. Simply follow through the sign up process. After you log into Teleparty, click the next button by going through the information. It will show you how you can add on the extension on your web browser and start sharing your Netflix content. First of all, go ahead and click on the extension button at the top right as shown on the display. In the pop-up, click on the Teleparty or Netflix Party is now Teleparty option, and in the pop-up, click on Netflix. Now that you've clicked Netflix, you will be taken to your Netflix website. After you choose any show or movie that you want to play, simply go ahead and mouse over to it and click on the poster. Right after you choose a movie or show, click on this little episodes and info section and click on Start a Teleparty right next to the play button. Now after you choose that option, you will see a little pop-up on the right corner where you will be able to load your Teleparty. Now, you will be able to see the copy link button at the top right corner. You can click on that link and share the link to your friends so that they can join into the party. Now after you share this link to your friends using any platform, and once they start joining into the party, you will be able to see them on this list. You can view your members that have joined in by clicking on this View Member List icon at the top right, and all of the person that have joined into the party will be listed on the page. And that way you can easily share Netflix screen using Teleparty extension. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.